Parking brake.
Well, you look like a cyclist. Don't do it. Still not running perfect. But it's running. It's running alright. Welcome back everybody to a new video. Today we have the old Aprilia. I'm looking for a dirt road. Should be at the end of this stretch here. So it's Saturday, so there will be walkers, so I will take it easy. And there it is. Speak of the devil.
Walking here!
Which way? Mountain bike. Ow! Ooh, a bench? Wait a second. Oh yeah. Yeah, I feel like I got my valve cut out too tall because I cut it from a 30 size to a 40 size. I should have gone to like 0.35, which isn't a measure. Like you can't buy a like 35 valve, but you can turn a 30 into a 35. Like, right where the cutout makes a difference. It was running super rich and now it's running like slightly too lean. Oh, please accelerate. Bro was clearly on his phone. What up, brother? Yeah, you can feel, like you can hear it. You open it up, like you shift, and then you go to open, and it goes whoa, and then it starts going. As you can also see, it's really quick at like barely cracked open throttle. It's almost climbing to limiter. Give it some oil. I don't want to seize my new piston. I mean, it's moving. For being a stock 50, it's moving. Why would you pass me before a turn? Why would you do that, Vitara? Honorary Nissan Qashqai membership to you, my friend. Yeah, you can see, it doesn't feel that strong above 8 grand. I don't know if it's like the cylinder being like, you know, exhaust timing and stuff like that. I don't know if it's because of like timings and stuff like that or because of jetting. I need to do like a proper run up here. So the spark plug is going to tell me something, I hope. Go on 50. Thank you. Oh, getting my spark plug nice and black or white. It really is gonna depend on my jetting. Oh, I'm keeping the Harleys behind me. I can still ride this bike. I would... I love this bike so much, man! God, imagine riding here with my 85, or what I am planning to put on. Oh, I didn't see that branch. Go on, brother! You're going to slow me down now, brother! Look at you slowing me down! Why do you have only one bag, brother? Okay, he was on the other side, but with the leaves and shit. Okay, that was cool. I guess that was cool. I also really want to get an MX-50 to see what like a supermoto version of this is going to feel like, because I live in Italy, so I can't put supermoto wheels on it. If the cops stop me for a traffic stop, they are going to pound my booty into submission and suck me from all my money, which I'm not really into. Come on, AM6. You gotta love it. You really got to love this platform to put up with this shit. I friggin' hate this gearbox. BMW, please. Beamer, please. Stay on your side of the road. Can a Beamer borrow some coolant? Beamer, how is you gonna give it back? Also, since last time, I did some stuff on the jetting. I touched it up a little bit. Now I'm running, I think I have a 102 main jet and a 45 pilot? I think? Not sure about it. But also, I got that definitely running lean. Oh, I mean, it's getting cold, so maybe that's why. But I think either I think it's more my pilot jet. Oh, hello. I think it's more my pilot jet being too small. No. Yeah? No, it can't be too small because it's... I don't know, man. Like, jetting is one of those things that even if you're good at it, I don't think I'm good at it, but I feel like even people who are good at it don't get it right most of the time and have to go through like plenty trial and error. I think. I don't know. I'm stupid. What would I know? But yeah, I was saying I got a new handlebar on it. It's a Pro Taper CR mid bend, so it's the same height as the previous bar, but slightly more open, like so. So it's less. It feels less cramped, and I really like it. It's just the bike really well, I think. And also I got these Acerbis handlebars. They're closed handlebars with like a steel thing in it. So if I manage to make this bike, I don't know, a good, well, this bike and me, like the whole combo, a good 5 kilos lighter, maybe some off-roading is on the menu, but like, I'm really liking the stock cylinder. Like, it feels like it's not stock. I mean, it's not stock. It's got a Janelli pipe and a 19mm carb. It's got like 2 big holes under the seat and a Malossi air filter and a Malossi reed valve, the good one, the VL18. And I also opened up the reed valve housing so that it points up instead of down towards the crank, because the stock AM6 cases, these two things, they're so bad for airflow. I guess it's not that stock, is it? I really want, I don't know what's stopping me other than my wallet being empty to get like a TPR 50. I tried a TPR 76 once, which is supposedly like really high revving, really powerful, and it felt like it had good bottom end, like good mid-range. It wasn't so dead that it wasn't usable before the power band. And the TPR 76 cylinder has a higher exhaust port than the 50 and the 86, wink wonk. So maybe the 50 is decent, because like it's not too high of an exhaust port, you know, 190 degrees of duration, which is like as high as you want to go before you get like a really narrow power band. I mean, to be fair, I really can't be asked to tear down this engine again. I did it so many times and I just want to ride the thing, but I still really want to do something like that. So if this video gets, I don't know, 100 likes, I will think about getting a bike that is more fit to such a build. For now, let's go back to jetting.
Four to 6 days later.
So I went from a 105 to a 110 main jet, and I also went from a W9 needle to a W10 needle because it was still, like, it was rich at like half throttle. So I, like, by going to a richer main jet, I was afraid it would get too rich, and a W10 needle is slightly leaner. It stays cylindrical for longer and it starts tapering like later, so it also only affects like the latest stages of opening, I guess. Maybe you can hear it. Yeah, here it is. Lean, 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 lean. Right. I'm not too worried about a lean spot because I'm running an oil pump, so it's fine. It's getting oil. Maybe I just need to raise the needle one tab, like one notch, and then I think we'll be golden. Subscribe if you want to see more stuff with this bike in particular. Like the video if you liked it, comment, share, whatever you feel like doing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.